Roy, are you having a spaz?
No.
You all done? Do it again.
No.
You're not going to have your spaz
No,
anymore?
he's not going to do anything.
I know, now I've got the camera on.
Oh, yeah.
Roy, do it again.
No.
Now he's got the hiccups.
I can't wait to see this.
Roy. Roy. Oh, he's busy looking at all the digger pictures. Mm-hmm.